We have an Amber Alert.
The Yakima Police Department has issued an Amber Alert for a 3-month-old male named Elizario Biza. He is 1 foot and 10 inches tall, weighs 23 pounds, has brown hair and brown eyes. He is in the company of his mother Yesenia Mistad, a 30-year-old white female. She is 5 feet 1 inch tall, weighing 155 pounds with hazel eyes and black hair. Both mother and child have been taken against their will and are in danger. They are in the company of Rene Biza, a 30-year-old white male. He is 5 feet 9 inches tall, weighing 160 pounds with brown eyes and black hair. He has tattoos on both arms. They are traveling in a 2002 gray Honda Civic. Washington license plate CAL0420. The vehicle was last seen eastbound on Interstate 82 out of Yakima. If you have information, please call the Yakima Police Department at 50945700207 or call 911.
That's crazy.